Otherwise he's going to hit me on the head or something.
Hey everyone, it's Toby Detailing, and in this video we have an Alpine A110R which is having full car PPF, satin blue, gloss, carbon, gloss black. It is an insane car, so let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do with regards to the Alpine is get patterns ready on the GYEON software. So let's put some lights on and have a look. Because it is already a satin finish, we don't need to go to the extent of a satin conversion. The main priority for this is all about protection and usability. The guy is going to drive it, he's going to enjoy it, so he wants everything to be protected as good as possible, hence full car PPF. We're also going to be ceramic coating the wheels and underneath. So one of the biggest differences with a PPF installers is how much effort they're going to go to get it right. We see a lot of A110s, and a lot of the time they cut around the number plate print and they cut around the letters. So if you've got an A110, have a look at your car and see how the PPF's been done on that. And this, taking the number plate off, behind that is the 4 torque screw bits and then 2 wood bits, which you have to drill out. A lot of people are too lazy to do this, so they cut around it, which is the wrong way to do it. We're also going to be taking off the Alpine badge. I've already done that on the back, so let me show you. As you can see here, we've already started removing the letters. We've made a template so that these will go back in the same place, and we've removed the number plate already.
services.
1 mile away, 2 mile range.
Time is absolutely to perfection.
1 mile range.
1 mile.
Plenty of